Americans buy 450 million pairs of jeans every year, more than one for every person in the country. Do you know what goes into making just one pair? Before a single stitch, before any dye. Growing the cotton for one pair of jeans consumes up to 1,000 gallons of water, 92% of the total water footprint.
That iconic blue comes from synthetic indigo dye. 20,000 tons of it produced every year, and most of it ends up as water waste.
One pair of Levi's 501 jeans uses 3,781 liters of water, from cotton field to finished product. 450 million pairs every year. That worn, faded look on your jeans? Traditionally made with water, stones, and chemicals. Now 30% of premium brands use lasers, zero water required. Half of all zippers on jeans worldwide come from one Japanese company. Check your jeans right now. There is a good chance it says YKK.
Your jeans crossed multiple oceans before reaching you. Cotton grown in one country, fabric woven in another, sewn in a third, shipped to your store. Sustainable factories now make jeans using 10 liters of water per pair, compared to thousands before. The industry is being completely reinvented. 450 million pairs. Every year, in one country. The industry that built America's identity is now reinventing itself. 1,000 gallons of water, 3 oceans crossed, 33 kilograms of carbon. You are wearing one of the most traveled objects in the world right now.
Check your jeans right now. Where were they made? Does the zipper say YKK? Drop your brand and country in the comments.